Your phone has to be rooted though, specifically. But then you'll see this link. You'll see the GitHub. Um, this is Unbound. It's by DesktopECHO. So we're gonna click the link. Then we'll scroll down. You can either click on the releases and try to navigate through there, or it's right here on the main page and the install instructions. So we're downloading it. So it's downloaded. Open up our download folder. Here we go. Install, open, allow. It's going to ask for super user, or it's going to ask for root. It should at some point, but what we're going to do is here, new deployment. Okay. There's your super user request. Grant forever. This is going to take a minute. I was trying to determine if I was going to clip it out or speed it up, but I'm just going to speed it up, and you'll be able to make a translation mentally to get an idea about how long it will take you to download. You know, you get to certain things you do with certain software, like installing Windows. You'll get to 80%, and then it'll stagnate, and it'll take like an hour from there. Or SFC scan, so you'll get to that 62%, and it'll take like it'll get you waiting. I mean, everything else is just pretty rapid. But that SFC scan, you have to go through a whole nother process if it doesn't install, or not install. I mean, finish scanning. So we're here. We're gonna click start. Okay. This is gonna take a minute, but we're gonna get a password before we restart the phone. So after this, you have to restart. You have to restart your device. Now I was looking for a solution as to create my own name server at home, because like I wanted to go to HomeCloud.com or HomeCloud.local, and so here's my password right here. We're going to copy that, then we're going to go back into our browser here, and then we're going to create a new file, type in info, and all of you'll have multiple. You can use RDP or VNC to log into this app. I wouldn't recommend that. We'll do it here through the browser in just a moment, but so we're gonna put that in. I mean, you don't have to do that. I shouldn't be showcasing how I store files, but we're gonna paste that there just for now. So we're good. We're good there. So what we got to do is now we got to restart. We're gonna allow notifications. So from here, you just kind of restart your phone, and you know it. We just booted up. We just started, and so from here, you're gonna want to take this app here. This is the one you're gonna be running it from. So open it up, and then click start. Everything's gonna check out. Remember, we saved our password. We're gonna need that in like 2 seconds. Start. I think it is good. It should be rolling, but what we're gonna do first, go into our directory here, info. We're gonna copy our password and get it in our clipboard. a couple times. Go into your browser, just simple browser, and then we're going to type in our IP address that is here, 10.005. I'm going to type it in here. You could also type in localhost, but we're not going to do it that way. HTTP / and then we type in admin, enter, and here we are. So now paste our password and log in. And if you want to change things, now this is the first step. The second step to make it Alright, so we're going to access our admin page for our router real quick. So I'm going to go to my IP. So this is mine. Yours is probably 192.168.0.1, or it could be 1.1, whatever. But so we sign in. I'm gonna on this Netgear. This is literally a $3 router, by the way. It does not have 5G, or it does have 5G, but one of the antennas were clipped off of it because I'm not the only one that has that problem. So we go into setup. I'm gonna have to edit these out, but what you're gonna do is use the specified DNS server. We're gonna delete this, and I'm gonna have to mask all of this and edit it for sure. But we go here, 10.0.0.5, and then you apply it, and then you make sure that it's running on your phone. It is running. We just logged into it. But that's not the only thing you do here. You will want to set your phone up to a static server, and that you do it by here. So this is what when I set this, it's a static route, so that phone will always get this address. But in this case, these phones, or the newer phones, just get random MAC addresses. They just when you reboot, you're going to get a different MAC address. So a lot of times, I use MAC changers and all, but so it really doesn't matter unless you if you don't change your MAC address or don't worry about security, then